Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can remove a series or a movie from your continue watching row. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Netflix app. Once the home page of Netflix opens up on your screen, find the continue watching row. After you find the continue watching row, select a series or a movie or whatever you want to remove from this row. Now all you'll have to do is click on this three dot option and select the remove from row option on the menu that pops up. As you can see on my screen, the Friends series is no longer present on the continue watching row. I hope this video helped you to remove series and movies from the continue watching row on Netflix. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.